Hey everyone, and this video we are going to see on how to upgrade your laptop's SSD and RAM. So my laptop is a HP 15 Ryzen 3 and it comes with a HDD and 4 GB RAM. So I'm going to upgrade it with the latest 8 GB RAM and also new SSD. So this is the SSD which I got for my laptop. It's from Acer. It's a 256 GB. I'm just going to copy the OS. Okay, so because it's taking around 10 minutes for me to boot this laptop up, so it costed me around 1500 and 500 for new OS and this OS migration. Okay, so let's jump into the removal of this thing. So as you could see, there are a few screws over here also at the top, and also you have to remove this rubber strip. So if you remove, there will be screws behind it. So also at the bottom you could see some screws hidden underneath it, so you have to remove those too. So once removed, you can just push it open so it easily comes out, or you could use some ATM cards to pop it up. So this is how it looks when you open it up, and this is the old 4 GB RAM which comes with the stock OEM one. Actually, to be honest, this 4 GB RAM is useless unless you are using only MS Office for your works. So on the bottom left you could see the hard disk. It's from Toshiba. It's a 1 TB hard disk, but it's actually too slow. And this is the battery, as you could see. So this battery capacity is around 3440 mAh, pretty low for this kind of laptop. So lithium ion battery comes from China. And the slot you see at this right corner is the one which we are going to mount our SSD slot. Certain laptops come with an existing SSD slot, so you can just add it. So you can either use both the SSD and HDD, and also this one has an additional RAM slot, so you could upgrade it to 8+8. So I'm actually sorry that I couldn't film the mounting of this SSD, as I gave this one outside to a shop because I wanted to copy the OS, right? So I gave there and they have fixed it. So it's actually simple. You have to just plug it in and tighten this screw on the right side corner. So this is a new RAM which is from Hynix. It's an 8 GB one. So previously we had 4 GB, but now I have upgraded to 8 GB. You could use two 8 GBs also here. This is an empty slot. Okay. So two things we have done. We have installed the SSD, also the RAM. So let's see how fast this system boots up. So I have fixed the bottom case, and let me see how long it boots up. There is actually some issue in my display and the cooling fan, and it opens up. Actually this thing takes around 5 minutes of my time to open up the system. So as of right now, this doesn't even takes more than 15 seconds. So it's completely too fast over now. And this is the SSD which we have installed. So we get around 237 GB of usage space, and then that 168 GB has been used by our OS. And this is the memory which we installed the RAM. Okay, so it's showing around 53% has been used, and the hard disk and the SSD which the new SSD which we installed. Thanks for watching this video guys. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel.